In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture on YouTube. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. First, open up your iPhone settings and there hit on General. Now there find picture-in-picture and here you need to be sure that this option is enabled. This option allows picture-in-picture on that device. So now you can go ahead and go back out there and open up YouTube. Here now I can play some video like that. And now if I hop out of here, picture-in-picture mode is not enabled, and all I have to do, I have to go back to YouTube, hit on my profile icon, now there hit on settings and there select general. Now there I have to find picture-in-picture feature to enable it. As you see, I got this feature because it's not available for my YouTube account now. But if you got this feature, you have to enable it in your general settings. If you got YouTube Premium, now feature of picture-in-picture are always enabled on your account, but if you don't got YouTube Premium, you have to wait until picture-in-picture feature will be available at your account. And that's how it works, guys. So hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.